Hi guys, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. My name is Pooja. This video is a hairstyle video which will be done in just 1 minute, and this is just perfect for any office occasion or college occasion, or you want to do it on daily basis. Just follow the steps which I'm doing in this video. So guys, if you're watching my channel for the first time, I request you all to subscribe to my channel to become part of this charming family. Also hit the bell button to get the notification of all the latest updates. You can follow me on Instagram. Also my Instagram handle is beauty12creativity, and if you guys are interested in watching Hindi videos, you can subscribe to my Hindi channel as well, which is beauty and creative. Well, let's talk about this hairstyle. In this, as you can see, I'm not using much in this hairstyle. All you have to do is, all you need is just a comb and few tic-tac pins, and you just twist your hair. You don't need any professional. It's very easy. Like, I think anybody can do it. It does not need any effort or practice. It's very easy and not time consuming. It will take hardly 1 minute. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.